I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at my EMART green screen. So I haven't folded it out. I just basically have it in a big pile here because it is big. It's 10 feet by 12 feet, so it kind of overwhelmed the size inside my office here. But basically, it's a big fabric green screen that you can hang up. Comes with 4 of these clamps. They're really solid clamps. And you can use these to attach it if you have a stand, or to attach it to the top of a couple of open door frames or something, whatever you want to do to attach this behind you. And it is a non-reflective muslin cloth, and it's a chroma key green, so a standard green like you would have in any kind of a video studio. And this is great if you're doing video production, you need a green screen for a podcast or producing videos for a product, anything where you want to be putting any kind of background behind you. I've also seen people use these with Zoom calls or other video conferencing. They'll hang it behind them, and they'll actually use the virtual backgrounds function and sub in a background. And if you have a green screen, instead of using the automated virtual backgrounds, you get a much better, crisper kind of background there for you. So I've seen people hang this behind themselves in an office setting, and then use it for video conferencing. I personally use it for producing videos where I need to isolate the background if I'm standing in front of a virtual product or a map, anything where I need to be isolating my background. I'll use this green screen, and I find that it works really well. It doesn't come with a stand, so you do have to hang it on something. Again, I usually go to a large door frame like this one, just over here, and then I'll use clamps to attach it to the top there. There's also a pocket rod at the top of it if you want to put a pole through the top, and it's machine washable. So if you're going to use this for like special effects or something, you're outside, you can always, if you get dirty, you can always throw it in the machine to wash it, which is great. So that's my EMART green screen. Definitely a great option if you need a green screen.